Assalamu alaikum students. We have a problem. If AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 6 and CA is equal to 3, then what will be the value of A plus B plus C? We will solve it. Given that A into B is equal to 2, equation number 1, BC is equal to 6, equation number 2, and CA is equal to 3, equation number 3. We have to solve it to find the value of A plus B plus C. Here, first of all, we will multiply all these equations. Multiply equation number 1 into equation number 2 into equation number 3. AB, left hand sides will be multiplied by left hand sides and right hand sides will be multiplied by right hand sides. AB into BC into CA. What is the value of AB? Given that 2 into value of BC, 6 into value of CA, 3. Here AB into, we will first multiply C by C. AB into C square is equal to 2 into 6 into 3. Now put the value of AB from equation number 1. 1, AB is equal to 2. Here we will put AB is equal to 2 into 2 into C square is equal to 2 into 6 into 3. Dividing both sides by 2 into 2. Both sides by 2 into 2 C square, 2 into 6 into 3, 2 into 2, these are cancelled. Here we have C square is equal to 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. Here value of C is equal to plus minus 3. We have two values of C. One is plus 3 and second is negative 3. Now we will find the value of A and B from equation number. For that we will use our previous equations. From equation number 3, CA is given 3, value of C is equal to plus minus 3, put here, dividing both sides by plus minus 3. here a is equal to plus minus 1. Now we have to find the value of b. For that we can use equation number 1. Equation number 1, ab is equal to 2. Here value of a we have on 1. Here we have b is equal to plus minus 2. We have a is equal to this, b is equal to plus minus 2 and c is equal to plus minus 3. But we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. First we will put a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3, which is equal to, by adding we will get a plus b plus c is equal to 6. Now a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 3, which is equal to minus 6. So we get two values of a plus b plus c, which are plus minus 6. So this is the required answer for a plus b plus c. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel.